Welcome to Best Choice. The best Flair Espresso 58 is probably one of the most sought-after manual espresso makers on the market, and for good reason. It's a beautifully designed, robust machine that offers a truly hands-on approach to crafting cafe-quality espresso right in your own kitchen. If you're someone who appreciates the ritual of making coffee and wants complete control over every variable, from grind size to extraction time, then this could be your ultimate brewing companion. Get ready to dive deep into the world of manual espresso with a machine that promises both performance and a deeply satisfying user experience. Number 5. CREMA Coffee 45.5mm Tamper and Distributor V2. Achieve even and uniform tamping every time with this essential coffee tool. It levels your grounds before tamping, leading to smoother and richer extractions. This tool is built specifically for Flair, compatible with Pro and Pro 2 portafilters. It offers a tailored fit for consistent espresso preparation. Fine-tune your tamping pressure with the easy-to-adjust depth feature. This ensures the right pressure every time, reducing guesswork and improving shot consistency. Crafted with durable aluminum sleeves and a heavy 304 stainless steel base, this combo delivers professional-grade performance. It has a balanced, substantial feel in your hand. We are passionate about creating tools that elevate your espresso ritual. We care deeply about the community we're building and would love for you to be a part of it. What we like. Achieve consistently perfect espresso shots with this precision tamping tool. Its adjustable depth control takes the guesswork out of your routine. If you own a Flair Pro or Pro 2 and are looking for a reliable way to ensure even extraction every time, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Flair 58 is a well-built, all-metal espresso maker that feels very robust and high-quality. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for good espresso extraction. The workflow is straightforward and intuitive, allowing for easy control over the brewing process. Number 4. Fellow Opus Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Meet the grinder designed for every coffee brewing style. From espresso to cold brew, it offers over 41 adjustable settings to suit your needs. Featuring 40mm stainless steel conical burrs and a powerful motor, it ensures outstanding consistency and flavor in every grind. This grinder combines minimalist aesthetics with maximum functionality, designed in San Francisco to help you brew better coffee at home. Easily measure beans, use the grind guide, and make precise adjustments. It even features no-tool calibration for simple maintenance. Its direct drop-down design and anti-static technology minimize grind retention and chaff mess, ensuring a cleaner experience. Enjoy a 2-year limited warranty, with an option to extend it by an additional year upon product registration. What we like. This grinder is designed to handle any brew method, from espresso to cold brew, with its 41+ settings. It features large stainless steel burrs for consistent results. If you're looking for a versatile grinder that looks great on your counter and can handle all your coffee needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Flair 58 is a high-quality, all-metal espresso machine that feels very robust and well-built. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for good espresso extraction. The workflow is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy to learn and use even for beginners. Number 3. MHW 3 Bomber 58.5mm Espresso Puck Screen. Experience consistently even extraction with our dual-layer precision filter. Its fine micromesh improves water distribution, reducing channeling for better shots every time. At just 0.8mm thin, it fits seamlessly without altering your coffee dose. This design works with most 58mm portafilter baskets, making your brewing process simpler. It acts as a protective barrier, preventing coffee ground residue from building up in your group head. This means less cleaning and better machine hygiene. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's built for safe, daily use. Enjoy a practical barista tool designed for long-term performance. Simply place it on your tamped coffee puck before brewing and rinse after each use. We also offer support to help you optimize your espresso extraction. What we like. Improve your espresso extraction and keep your machine cleaner with this dual-layer puck screen. Its ultra-thin design means you won't need to adjust your dose. If you want to reduce channeling, achieve more even extractions, and spend less time cleaning your group head, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The Flair 58 is a high-quality, all-metal espresso maker that is built to last. It features a 58mm portafilter, which is standard for most commercial espresso machines, allowing for a wide variety of accessories and upgrades. The manual operation of the Flair 58 provides a unique and rewarding experience for those who enjoy the craft of espresso making. Number 2. 58mm Rosewood Espresso Accessories Kit. Elevate your coffee brewing with this comprehensive 3-in-1 espresso tool kit. It includes 3 precision instruments designed to enhance your espresso preparation. Break up coffee clumps effortlessly with our WDT tool. Its ergonomic design and adjustable needles ensure even distribution for a perfect shot every time. This magnetic dosing funnel adheres securely to your portafilter. Its smart design guides grounds precisely, significantly reducing cleanup time. Ensure optimal water dispersion with our reusable puck screen. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's easy to clean and maintain for consistent extraction. This expertly packaged kit makes the ultimate gift for coffee enthusiasts. Achieve consistent extraction quality with these barista-certified tools. What we like. Elevate your espresso preparation with this comprehensive 3-in-1 kit. It includes a precision WDT tool, a magnetic dosing funnel, and a puck screen, all designed for 58mm portafilters. If you're serious about reducing mess, eliminating channeling, and achieving consistent espresso, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Flair 58 is a high-quality, all-metal espresso maker that feels very robust and well-built. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for good espresso extraction. The workflow is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy to learn and master the espresso making process. Number 1. STARESSO Plus SP300 Portable Espresso Machine. Experience the art of espresso with our portable coffee maker. It's designed to achieve the optimal 18 to 22% gold extraction rate, bringing out the best flavors in your coffee grounds. Achieve 15 to 20 bar pressure with ease. Its innovative design makes it simple to press and extract perfect espresso, transforming you into a coffee master in seconds. Enjoy a stable brewing experience thanks to the non-slip silicone base. This ensures your coffee maker stays put on any surface while you create your perfect cup. Crafted with baby-safe silicone and food-grade 304 stainless steel, this machine is built to last. The pump features an advanced nanoceramic coating for triple the durability. Its foldable, detachable design makes it incredibly portable and simple to clean. Enjoy rich espresso anywhere, without the need for electricity. With a large capacity for up to 24 g of coffee grounds, it's perfect for making 1 to 2 servings. This makes it an ideal companion for travel, home, or office. What we like. Enjoy rich, cafe-quality espresso wherever you go with this portable manual espresso maker. It generates 15 to 20 bar pressure for a gold extraction rate. If you love espresso but don't want to be tied to an electric machine, and you're looking for a reliable coffee companion for travel, camping, or the office, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The Flair 58 is a fantastic machine for anyone looking to get into espresso. It's incredibly well built and feels very sturdy. The workflow is straightforward and easy to learn, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.